Okay, in this one we will go to the next point. After the pneumatic, we will have vibratory conveyor system. So in this one, what is happening here? A vibratory conveyor is a machine with a solid conveying surface, which is turned up on the side to form a trough. So trough like a structure can be formed. So these are extensively used in food grading application. So it is used in food grading applications to convey dry bulk solids where sanitation, wash down, low maintenance are essential. Okay, so if you see that one next, due to the fixed nature of conveying pans, vibrating conveyors can also perform tasks such as sorting, screening, classifying and orienting parts. So all these functions can be done using vibratory conveyors. Okay, sorting, screening generally used in food packaging industry. Can you see this example? This is a typical vibrating conveyor. Okay, this is a mechanical motor driven. So continuously plate is vibrating like in the horizontal plane. So the items are continuously moved in forward direction. Okay, this is a typical type of vibratory conveyor system. Now vertical conveyor system or spiral conveyor system. What is happening here? Vertical. The movement of material here is in the vertical direction. Okay. So the vertical conveyor, also commonly referred as freight lift, generally called as freight lift, vertical movement, and material lift, are conveyor systems used to raise or lower the materials from one level to another level. So the two different levels of a facility during the handling process. During the handling process, it is used. Example of these conveyors applied in industrial assembly process. It is applied in industrial assembly process include transporting materials to different floors. So the requirement may be at different floors. So this vertical conveyor system will use that one. While similar in look to freight elevator, vertical conveyors are not equipped to transport people. What is happening here? In freight elevator, people can move, but in vertical conveyor, people are not going to move. Okay, only materials will move. Can you see this one? Vertical conveyor. So the goods will be transferred from one level to another level. Okay, so like that. It is used in food packaging or some other industry. See, the movement of material is in vertical direction. So blue box are the material transported. So there are some side grips are there such that this material or the item will not fall outside. See another example, vertical lift conveyor. Can you see this one? Okay, the systems are going like this. So the material will come from this end, it is getting downward, and it is going to place here. So one example for vertical lift conveyor. So here also reciprocating vertical conveyor means what? It's going up and down. It's going up and down. So that is why we are giving vertical reciprocating vertical conveyor. Now here it is one of the example for carton track conveyor. These are generally heavy duty. These are called as heavy duty conveyor systems. Can you see this one? Heavy duty roller conveyors, where it is used to transport the containers. Okay, to transport the big containers. See this, heavy duty roller conveyors are used for moving items that are at least 500 pounds or 230 kg. So these are generally used in heavy movement. This type of conveyor makes the handling of such heavy equipment product easier. Very it will make very easy, more time effective and more effective in time. Many of the heavy duty roller conveyors can move as fast as 75 feet per minute, means 23 meter per minute the speed of this movement. Okay, so benefits, what benefits you can tell? Okay, so as mentioned above, the conveyors are huge enhancement over using human labor. Human labor are ineffective after some time. Okay, so to adopt a conveyor system such that the activity will be very smooth running. Other than this, some other benefits we are going to see. What are those? Conveyors designed with inclination allow materials. So with inclination means what? Some angle is there, no? Okay, so they allow materials both big and small to be moved from one elevation to another easily. This saves a lot of time. That means what? If you provide some gravitational attachment, means what? The conveyors, if they are inclined, then gravity portion will act on the system. So due to gravity, obviously materials will flow directly from top level to bottom level. Now, conveyors offer unlimited opportunities to continuously load and continuously unload items over a longer period of time. So, it is benefited compared with the human in this run. Continuous working, loading, unloading is possible here. Okay. Now, large factories will have requirements where materials need to be moved. Large factories will have requirement where materials to be moved between multiple levels of floors. Conveyors can be designed. Conveyors can be designed to transport materials across almost all levels with almost no limitation of height. So any height transportation is easily achievable here. Okay. Now, conveyors with automated incline belts can automatically unload material. Okay, that is also possible here, eliminating manual unloading. So humans are not at all intervened here. This also means that no time is wasted. In monitoring the unloading loading operations. Okay. Now, conveyors allow careful control of the speed. So, speed also can be controlled here. That means there are fewer chances of something breaking, okay, and causing loss to handling issues. So, speed is controlled means material movement are also done in a safe way so that breaking damage is not going to take place. Okay. Now, conveyors can move in both direction, horizontal, vertical, both direction. This is very useful when materials need to be moved between opposite ends of manufacturing unit during the manufacturing process. Okay, to and fro motion is also possible here. From X to Y, from Y to X, in both in horizontal direction as well as in vertical direction. So it is helpful in manufacturing industry. Now, why we use conveyors? Okay, see, conveyors are used in almost all every industry where materials need to be moved, including bottling plants, recycling centers, plastic making factories. In everywhere it is used. They can be used in every industry. Okay, they can be used in every industry which has some kind of process. So wherever process are there, so you can go for conveyor system requiring the movement of items. Okay, materials at regular intervals in cyclic fashion. Cyclic means repetitive procedure is adopted there. Okay. The primary advantage of conveyor system is that they automate lot of human tasks. Automate means replacement of humans. Okay, automatically it is done. That are associated with what? Manufacturing industry, transportation industry, of including material movement. This includes tasks like feeding, moving, loading, unloading. Okay, so that is why these are all used in factory. Okay, so conveyor system is very helpful. So you need to invest in conveyor system if you are planning for a manufacturing industry or a planning industry. So we will see some of the photograph of different types of conveyor systems. We'll see. So this is called as chute conveyor. So due to the gravity, the spiral movement is going to come. Okay, like this. So no power is required. So this is called as wheel conveyor. We have seen, no? So small wheels have been arranged like this. So the boxes are moving on the wheels. Okay, boxes are moving on the wheels. Wheel conveyor. So this is a typical roller conveyor. Rollers are there. The continuous movement is possible. Continuous movement of the goods are possible. So now this is once again gravity roller conveyor. Gravity roller means somewhere one side is higher elevated. So this is continuously movement is possible. Okay. So live powered roller conveyor means what? What is that? Automatically the rollers are rotating in this direction so that the goods or packets which are placed on this one, they are also in continuous motion. So that is why powered is used. Otherwise it would be gravity roller. Okay. So this is a chain conveyor, means what? Continuous chains are there, okay, chain links are there moving on the rollers, so the transportation of the goods will takes place. Here, slat conveyor, what do you mean by this one? Slat conveyor, so here pallets kind of a things can easily move, pallets kind of a things are easily moved.